Okay, today we're going to do a demonstration on making a circular optical shape. For the purpose of this demonstration, I've already pre-drawn a large circle using a compass, but I've just used this utensil here just to sharpen the actual outside edge, and a smaller circle which I'm going to draw in here. Basically using the pepper pot, but I've used the compass beforehand. Just want to get this line a little bit stronger. Okay. Now this circle that you put inside the larger circle can actually go anywhere, really. I mean, we could put it over here. If you wanted to, it could go here. You could put the circle over here, provided it doesn't go over the edge. It's got to be inside. But for this particular demo, I think we'll just have our circle in this position here. Then what we do is we find the centre, which obviously the compass has left a mark there. So what we need is the centre of the smaller circle to be established. Okay. Now, to make this illusion work, what's very important is that we have to mark small dashes, equal dashes, around the edges here. These will subdivide in equal areas the actual circumference of the outer circle of the large circle that we're drawing here. So I'm just dashing these in quite hard. The lines, it can be dots or lines, exactly the same distance apart if possible. And as you can see, I'll put some new ones here. You can use a ruler, but it tends to be very, very tedious using your eye to get the distance between each of the dots or dashes. It's usually not too bad, it works out relatively. Let's go down here. Obviously the dashes that you produce will not be perfect, but the nearer they are to being the same size, the better the outcomes. Now what you do is you look at the centre of the circle here, this part, and you start to join up the outside marks to the centre. Go right the way through, like this. What you tend to see happening now, providing the lines all go to the centre, we get some students doing this, which misses the centre completely. That's not good enough, okay? You must hit the centre circle here, this part. Make it a little bit bigger, so it's defined. Now as we get around the edge, you'll see that, for instance, around here, you can start now, these are going to be shorter and nearer to the centre, so the effect of the lines is going to be slightly different. You can see they're very, very much shorter, nearer together, and the effect means that the shapes are going to be slightly different. Okay. It's not possible, you don't need to do the line through here, but in some cases some of the students get confused and don't find the centre. So just, you can rub all these inner lines out of the smaller circle later on. But some students tend to actually just go like this because they're confident enough to know that they're hitting the centre, so they tend to bypass a small circle in the circle there, like that. It's totally up to you, although there might be a mark made there if pressed too hard. Okay, as you can see, the shapes begin to be created around the edge. and then what we're going to do when we finish this shape is we're going to go around the pattern with complementary colour.